back to my YouTube channel. Today we are back with another toys review. This one is the Intellipup R4, the smart robotic puppy with 7 functions. Let's check this thing out and see what it can really do. Take the thing out. Oh shoot, so big. Alright. Take that off. The dog itself. Oh wow. The remote and the charging cord. Alright, let's turn it on. Oh! Alright, can you turn this thing on? Let's see if I can. Oh. I'm trying to make it go forward. Let's go over here. Alright. Here. Let's see if I can go forward this time. It can barely, but it's doing it. It's actually kind of working. It's working. There's even something on here that says tease the dog. Let's try that. Oh, it kind of just does a bunch of tricks. Oh my gosh! Oh! Is he doing a handstand? Oh my gosh! This thing is doing anything. What did I tease the dog for? Like, what did he want? It was special. There's imitate. Okay, imitate like a cat. That's cool. There's one where it could dance. Oh. Oh. That was cool. This thing is pretty cool. Can't be my other dog though. Alright, so the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make it walk around the pool. Like actually like go for a walk with this dog. So here we go. Turn it on. On. gonna be a long little challenge. So, doing it. Alright, let's tease it again. We'll flip. That was awesome. Alright, that was the cheese dog one. Alright, so this was my Intellipup V4, and I hope you enjoyed the video, just so I do some tricks and stuff. And if you want to buy this, I really recommend it. My real dog did not like this at all, but I loved it. Alright, see you guys in the next video.